Hi, my name is Sri Lakshmi. I am from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will talk about data services transformation. Data services transformation is used to invoke data services from the data services repository. This is actually a counterpart of UDT transformation in Power Center and data processor transformation in data quality. In UDT transformation as well as data processor transformation, we used to have a DT project. So these transformations are used to execute the DT projects through a mapping. Similarly, in IICS, we have data services transformation to execute a DT project, but the DT project in IICS is called a data service. So in order to execute data service through IICS, we need to first upload that particular data service in the data services repository. We will move on to a short demo. So data services repository can be found in the data services repository here. There are two type of data services. The first one is a industry standard related data service which can be used for processing HL7 or HIPAA related input files, and the second one is a custom data service. So custom data service is something like our DT project which we used to develop in DT Studio or data processor transformation in developer client. If we have any customized needs to process a certain file, then we can go ahead with custom data service. Just that we need to have the DT project with us. So the type of DT data services can be found here. The one will be out of the box and the other one would be custom. These are the out of the box data services that are available. So if I search for HL7, I'll find few of them. And also the same with HIPAA. And the custom services are the ones which we need to upload manually in order to process the file according to our custom requirements. This is how you upload a data service into the data services repository. So the data service DST is uploaded. So in this data service transformation, in this DT project, what I'm trying to do is convert an XML file to a JSON file. There are other transformations in IICS which can do the same thing, but I have picked up this simple example to demonstrate data services transformation. Now that the data service is uploaded into the data services repository, we will move on to create a mapping. So in data service transformation, I have created a mapping already. So in this mapping, I have selected, so in the data services transformation is similar to our data UDT transformation in PC. There are two ways of providing input to the data service transformation. One is through file and the other one is through buffer. File is where we provide an indirect reference to the file which we want to process. Buffer is where we provide the actual data. The same applies to the output as well. So in this case, I have chosen file and the output is buffer. So books.xml is the one which I am trying to convert to JSON. This is the XML file and what I am providing as input is file and this is the file path.out. Path.out contains the path to the books.xml. In the data services transformation, I have selected file as input, buffer as output, and I have selected the data service transformation DST. Now let's run the mapping. This is the mapping run. The output file will be named as a target.json. Okay, it has created it now. So this is the JSON file. Yeah. So this is how you can use a data service transformation. You can also have a dynamic service name. The details about configuring dynamic service name is present in the documentation. It is all about the data service transformation in IICS. If you have any feedback, please let us know. Thank you for watching this video.